Mr. Daniel Smith, the country representatives for Triple GI, members of the Triple GI team who are here today, Fiji incubator and accelerator program participants, the mentors, the coaches, and also the consultants. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to you all. It should be a good morning to all of us after waiting for Cyclone Mal for 2 days. It is with immense pride and honor that I stand here today at the Pacific Greenpreneurs 2023 graduation and showcase event in Suva. Unfortunately, the Minister or the Acting Minister for Trade, Cooperative, Small and Medium Enterprise could not be here due to a prior commitment. However, it is a privilege to witness such a vibrant display of entrepreneurial spirit and commitment to sustainable development. I want to reaffirm that Fiji stands ready to collaborate with like-minded partners to drive sustainable development in Fiji, the wider Pacific, and globally. This event is not just a celebration of individual achievements, it's a reflection of the fruitful and long-standing collaboration between the government of Fiji and Global Green Growth Institute, or the Triple GI. Together, we have embarked on numerous projects, each contributing significantly to our nation's sustainable development through green growth and climate change adaptation. Triple GI has also provided exceptional support towards the formulation of national policies and strategies that reduce vulnerability and enhance the resilience of our nation and people against the impact of climate change. Such support has been pivotal in the development of key mitigation policies, including Fiji's NDC implementation roadmap, the Low Emission Development Strategy, and the NDC investment plan and project pipelines. The Triple GI's support has been instrumental in projects focusing on climate resilience and green city development. These initiatives are not just about infrastructural development, they are about building a resilient future for our people, protecting our environment, and ensuring sustainable economic growth. The incubator and accelerator programs, integral parts of the Pacific Green Entrepreneurs Network, have been pivotal in shaping the landscape of green entrepreneurship in our region. Since 2021, under the auspices of the Triple GI and Gata Fund for Development, these programs have been nurturing the seeds of sustainable business ideas. The incubator program, in particular, has been instrumental in aiding early-stage green enterprises by providing them with the necessary skills, the tools, and guidance. It has enabled these budding enterprises to develop robust and sustainable business models. This not only equips them for current success, but also prepares them for future challenges, ensuring their contribution to our environmental and economic resilience. On the other hand, the accelerator program has been focusing on high potential established green enterprises, guiding them towards investment readiness. This is where the transformative power of micro, small, and medium enterprises and green businesses truly come to the forefront. The Ministry of Trade, Cooperative, Small, and Medium Enterprises, through MSME Fiji, has played a supportive and pivotal role over the past 3 years, offering invaluable insights and input into these programs. Our commitment to these programs reflects our belief in the immense potential and innovation of green businesses. As we gather here today, we are not just celebrating the achievements of these enterprises. We are reaffirming our support and commitment to nurturing a sustainable and prosperous future through the power of green entrepreneurship. As we recognize the graduates of the incubator and accelerator program, we also celebrate the shared vision and commitment of the Triple GI and the Fiji government in nurturing green entrepreneurs. Your innovative solutions and sustainable business models are key to addressing climate change and driving economic growth in an environmentally responsible manner. A special aspect of today's celebration includes the announcement of the incubator business plan competition winners, who will each receive seed grants of USD 5,000 and approximately Fiji dollar 11,250. Additionally, 9 recipients will be announced for the accelerator repayable grants, each up to US dollar 50,000, approximately 118,000 Fiji dollars. In total, USD 350,000 or over 800,000 in Fiji dollars in grant will be awarded, demonstrating a strong commitment to fostering green entrepreneurship. At this juncture, I would like to express a profound gratitude to the Gutter Fund for generous financial support. The contribution has been instrumental in making this initiative possible, providing vital resources to empower our entrepreneurs, particularly women and youth, in their pursuit of green and sustainable business solutions. These initiatives, funded and supported by the QFFD, or the fund, are at the heart of our partnership with the Triple GI. They exemplify our shared vision of nurturing innovative green businesses that contribute to our country's climate and sustainable development goals. The entrepreneurial spirit, especially among our women and youth, is essential on our journey towards a greener and more inclusive future. And each participant should take pride in their contribution to Fiji's development and progression in the global arena. As I present these awards today and certificates to the deserving winners and recipients, I'm reminded of the journey we have embarked on together. The government of Fiji remains committed to supporting green initiatives and fostering an environment where sustainable enterprises can thrive. In conclusion, I congratulate all the graduates, competition winners, and grant recipients. Your success is a testament for our collective efforts towards a sustainable and prosperous Fiji. Let us continue to work hand in hand, nurturing innovation and sustainability for the betterment of our nation and the Pacific region. God bless all of you, and God bless Fiji.